First, the commercial plant design finalists. Environmental designs, Edison at RiNo. Technology helped inform this colorful display featuring 22 different planters on a busy street in RiNo. By reviewing 3D renderings, the client could give feedback on color and plant choices, some of which had up to 15 different varieties. The planter design needed to create a big impact and a pleasant space for visitors to this busy property. Wind, heavy foot and vehicle traffic, and a little shade or landscape space created challenges. The chosen plant material needed to showcase a variety of colors, textures, and heights for visual appeal. They also had to be able to withstand the harsh conditions and high temperatures of the surroundings. The result is a riot of color that helps the property stand out among the properties along the roadway. Lifescape Colorado for Sacred Grounds. The project was a milestone for Lifescape Colorado, which would fill 18 beds and which was one of the largest commercial projects of its kind in this region. The campus of this faith-based organization was filled with bright color and bold plant choices. Over 600 flats and 14,000 bulbs gave visitors a stunning display of tulips in the spring and color all summer long. The flower beds were a colorful contrast to the white buildings and green grassy areas of the campus. The variety of plantings and colors contrasted the orderly lines and monochromatic structures, creating a low-maintenance, sustainable design with a wide variety of perennials and annuals. Environmental designs for Centerra Commercial Owners Association West Monument Seasonal Beds. Advanced technology helped to elevate this design for the beds that serve as wayfinders as well as enhance the Centerra community entrance. The design team used aerial views from Google Maps to develop the design, then installed the design using stakes and mason line for plotting. Since the design features a logo with words and a heart shape, it was also important to use brightly colored flowers that are hardy and provide consistent blooms so the shapes were always visible and legible. Sun patients fit the bill and provided the pop of color and contrast needed for the greatest impact. Both the CCOA Board of Directors and the EDI team wanted to inspire pride and joy in the Loveland community. The resulting display is a welcoming sight for visitors that can easily be seen from a passing vehicle. And our residential plant design finalist, Tree of Life Landscapes for Lince, Rosa. The client's goals were to remove and replace as much sod as possible with perennial and permaculture plantings. In order to interact with the space rather than simply admire it from the outer edges, Tree of Life incorporated a pathway that allowed the homeowner to walk through the colorful perennial garden. The design also provides space for the client to use permaculture practices to grow vegetables among the perennials. With such an extensive design for plant material, the design team assisted the installation team by placing plants and remaining on site to assist with proper installation. The final design resulted in landscape area dense with colorful, water-wise plants that the owner and guests can enter and enjoy close up.